Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Aquarius, this is your reading for the month of June and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Aquarius will see what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know for the month of June. There is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. uh, Aquarius, if you're interested in getting down a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section. All right, let's get started now. Let's see what you need to know. Aquarius, let's see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Aquarius. What do you need to know for the month of June? What do you need to know for the month of June, Aquarius? What do you need to know for the month of June? What do you need to know for the month of June? We have the Fool, Queen of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Okay. Aquarius, someone who had put you in a third party situation is attempting to come towards you, or is rather taking a strong leap of faith towards you, leaving the third party and coming towards you for reconciliation, for a second chance. Okay. And some of you might be waiting or manifesting this person back. Some of you probably have moved on. Even if you have moved on, I do feel like there are or there will be times when you will notice that this person's thoughts are crossing your mind, or probably you're feeling this person's energy. Or there will be also times like even if you have moved on, this person will try to contact you, text you, call you, and some intermittent conversation might happen with this person from the past. Okay, I mean, even if you have moved on, your love for this person is still there. Okay. For others of you, yes, indeed, I do see reconciliation, or probably at least this person is taking a leap of faith towards you, because the love between both of you is pretty strong. This person took some time to understand this love, and for some of you, this person might be younger than you. Okay, and one of the reasons you probably kind of separated yourself from this person was not just because this person put you in a third party, but probably also felt like there was lack of compatibility or because of immaturity. You were the one, because of this person's immaturity, you were the one who had to take major responsibility in this connection. But I do see in the month of June there is a new beginning in the connection. Okay, for some of you, this person might make you pregnant. Okay, so you gotta be careful if that is something you don't want at the moment. We have 10 of wands, 6 of pentacles, knight of wands, and the 2 of swords. Okay. uh I think so. There was a lot of uncertainty related to this situation. This person was in and out, or probably was not giving you enough of clarity. And when it comes to you, you're either in or you're either out. Okay, you either give your 100% or you give your like 0% and you're out of this connection. Okay, and I think so. You completely withdrew your energy. You decided to reinvest into yourself. So it kind of took you to walk away from this person, for this person to realize your importance and your value in their life. Okay, and now they are coming back. And if at all you are contemplating moving on, this person wants you to drop that idea. This person wants you to come back to them if at all you are dating anyone. Okay, and I do feel like there is a lot of obsessive energy over here. Aquarius, did I say Libra? If that's the case, it's a slip of tongue. Okay, so there is a lot of obsessive energy over here. I do feel like this person is going to chase you a lot. If at all you have moved on, or if at all you're going to reject this person initially, this person will keep on chasing you a lot till the time you say yes. That's the energy that I'm getting. Okay, and maybe this is also something that you want, especially if you're planning to go back to this person. You really want to know how intensely this person is trying to manifest you back. Okay, or like you really want to see intensity of their emotions, intensity of their feelings. Like This time around this person is trying to come back, but are they really serious about their intentions? Do they seriously want me? Okay, so it's not just the conversation that you're going to look out for, but also you want to see their actions. So if at all this person will chase you, in fact that is something that you're looking forward to. If at all you're looking for reconciliation with this person, you want this person to chase you. Okay, and this person will chase you. That's what I see. So I don't see you're going to say yes to this person right away. You'll make this person chase you, and then you're going to be like, okay, let me think about it. So what does this person wants from Aquarius? What does this person wants from Aquarius? What are their true intentions when it comes to Aquarius? What does this person wants from Aquarius? We have Two of Pentacles. What does this person wants from Aquarius? The Strength, the Chariot, and we have Nine of Wands. Okay, I think so this person considers you as a powerhouse or a very strong personality. Okay, and they think that there is a lot that they can learn from you. There is a lot of life experience that they can gain from you, from being with you. Okay, I also feel like there is something that is associated to you, like either there is a glamour that is attached to you, or this person feels like there will be a time in your life when you're going to be extremely popular, extremely successful. You'll be noticed by the world in some or the other way, and when that time will happen, I want to be with Aquarius. Okay, so yes, this person have realized their mistake and they are trying to come back, but this person is also thinking a lot about future. Okay, keeping you, uh, you are the focal point. This person is trying to analyze how your life will be 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line. Okay, they are trying to analyze your life. Based on that, they are trying to make the decisions. Okay, and they also feel like they will, maybe this person came from a background where they saw a lot of toxicity. Okay, rarely they have seen any kind of positivity, or where this person came from a background where which harbored toxicity and low vibrational energies and low vibrational emotions and feelings. Okay, and when they saw you for the very first time, they felt like, okay, life can be like this as well, life can be positive as well, life can be powerful as well. Okay, and your energy attracted this person a lot. So they want to be that part of the cult, a part of the powerful cult, part of the positive cult, part of the cult where toxicity is not entertained, negativity is not entertained, and they think of you as either a leader of that cult, uh, which harbors positivity, keeps negativity and toxicity at bay, or they considered as you as someone very important person in that cult. Okay, so I think so, yes, there is a lot of love for you, but at the same time I also feel like there is also strong purpose why they want to be with you, and this person is very clear about that purpose. To be very honest, I feel like there is a bit of selfish intention as well over here. I think so it will be on to you, Aquarius, whether you want to entertain this person or not, especially if you already know that they are a bit selfish. Okay, but again, the because see, very honestly, I see very less cup cards. There is just one cup card over here. It's a Queen of Cup, but again I feel like it's more related to the third party. Okay, they want a new beginning, and you also want a new beginning. So some of you will be like, I want to move on, I want to be with a new person. So let's see. Spirit, please tell us messages related to the new person that is about to enter into Aquarius's life. Okay. Queen of Swords. Might be your boss. Okay. The new person kind of looks like This person will have deep love, strong emotions, very strong and deep feelings for you. But at the same time, I feel like this person will hesitate in expressing those strong feelings and deep emotions to you, because there will be already some sort of a pre existing connection between you and this person. Like, this person might be your boss, or this person might be your client, or this person might be your student or trainer or whatever it is, okay? But I do feel like there is a pre-existing connection between you and this person, and that is why this person fears like, if Aquarius declines or dismisses me, the pre-existing connection will also get disturbed. Okay. But at the end of the day, whenever they imagine anything with you, they see a lot of peace and harmony, they see a lot of love between both of you, and this person genuinely wants to pursue a relationship, a romantic relationship with you. Okay, they have been fantasizing a very strong future and a strong connection with you. Please provide more information about this new person, divine. Please provide more information about this new person, divine. Please provide more information about this new person. We have, wow, for some of you this is going to be your divine counterpart, your future spouse. Okay, your soulmate, twin flame, whatever designation you want to attach. This person, for some of you, might even come from a distance. This might be an online connection or a long distance relationship, and very likely this person is going to enter in your life when you will end a certain connection or they will end a certain connection. Or probably it can be like endings are happening at both the sides. Okay, something is getting ended on a permanent basis, and that's when this new person will pop up. But again, I do feel like it's going to be a fast moving connection with this new person, because we have got 10 of pentacles, so it kind of seems like the connection is getting escalated to the next level really fast. Okay, so that's what I see when it comes to the new person. And it's going to be a very harmonious, filled with love and loving, caring connection where both the people are looking very responsible, and the chances of meeting this person at work or through work is very high. Let's see what you need to know regarding your work. The Magician, work for the month of June. Six of Cups, the King of Wands. Yeah, you're trying to manifest something that you're passionate about, but at the same time, that will offer you the time flexibility, and that will offer you, you want to do things at your own pace. That's what I'm hearing. Okay, so maybe work from home, or you want to start a business from your home, but you also want to have a flexibility. You want to take care of your family and your kids also, but at the same time, you want to give enough of time to your passion as well. Maybe at the moment, whatever you're doing is not offering you the necessary time flexibility. I'm hearing the time flexibility again and again. Okay, and your focus will be towards that. And at the same time, I also feel, Aquarius, that if at all you haven't discovered your life purpose so far, you're going to discover that life purpose very soon or in the month of June. And of course, you are going to convert that life purpose into your passion, into your work. So it's quite possible that you might be into a specific career right now, but a transition in career might happen in the near future. Might not necessarily happen in the June, but sometime in the future, if whatever you're doing right now is not aligned with your life purpose. But you are on this journey of discovering your life purpose, and your life purpose is going to become your career. Okay. What more you need to know? What more you need to know? And your in your life purpose, your romantic partner is going to help you a lot. Your ancestors are trying to tell you something. Pay attention to that. Okay, there is something that is not working out in your life. Free yourself from that. Move in the direction of stability. There is a specific direction that you need to move on to, and stop overthinking. Okay, these are the messages that you will get again and again in the month of June. There is something that is not working out. You need to move in the direction of stability. There is a specific direction that you need to walk towards. And overthinking is killing a lot of things. Okay, overthinking, stop overthinking. Overthinking probably is also impacting your health, probably is also impacting uh, Maybe your love life, maybe your career, something is getting impacted because of overthinking. Take care of that. All right. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time, guys. And bye bye. This is your spread Aquarius for the month of June. Take care and bye.